Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change original removal reminder settings on your Canon TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings icon. Now go to device settings, and after that go to the other device settings. Here you guys will have the original removal reminder, and here you guys can basically show a reminder when scanned originals and when these scanned originals are left on the scanner. So you guys can basically enable it by pressing on, and that's it. You guys can also do the same with disabling it, and that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.